If your skin often feels tight, flaky, or dull, you're not alone. Dryness can steal your glow and make even the best skincare routine feel incomplete. That's why today, we're diving into the best hydrating face masks that drench your skin in moisture and bring back that youthful suppleness. Whether you prefer gel masks, overnight treatments, or luxurious creams, these top 5 products deliver long-lasting hydration that truly transforms your skin. Let's explore the number 1 to number 5 hydrating face masks that your skin will thank you for. Kicking off our list at number 1, Hydrating B5 Mask. The Hydrating B5 Mask is a cult favorite from SkinCeuticals that delivers a potent boost of hydration using vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid. Designed for all skin types, it replenishes the skin's moisture levels instantly, leaving it plump, refreshed, and dewy. This professional-grade mask is ideal for anyone struggling with dehydration, irritation, or tightness caused by environmental stress. It's a go-to solution for restoring your skin's natural softness and balance without any greasy residue. Key features: the Hydrating B5 Mask features a high concentration of hyaluronic acid, a key ingredient known for its ability to attract and retain up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Combined with vitamin B5, it enhances skin elasticity and supports barrier repair. Its lightweight gel texture absorbs quickly, providing deep hydration while improving the skin's overall texture and tone. The formula is oil-free, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist-tested, making it safe for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Benefits and usage: this mask quenches thirsty skin and revitalizes dull complexions. It can be used weekly or as an overnight treatment for an intense hydration boost. Apply a generous layer to cleansed skin, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then gently massage any remaining product into the skin. You'll notice an immediate improvement in smoothness, suppleness, and overall glow, making it a great pre-makeup prep or post-travel recovery treatment. Usability: the Hydrating B5 Mask is incredibly easy to integrate into any skincare routine. Its transparent gel formula makes it mess-free, and it can be layered under moisturizer for extra hydration. It suits all climates, whether you're facing winter dryness or summer dehydration. The non-sticky texture ensures comfortable wear, and it rinses or absorbs effortlessly, making it perfect for busy users who still want visible results. Durability: a little goes a long way with this mask, as only a thin layer is needed for full hydration. One tube lasts several months, maintaining its potency and texture even with regular use. With consistent application, your skin's moisture retention improves over time, giving lasting softness and a balanced complexion that doesn't fade after a single use. In the second spot, we have Hydra Beauty Camellia Mask. The Hydra Beauty Camellia Mask by Chanel is the epitome of luxury hydration. Enriched with the power of camellia flower extract, an iconic ingredient in Chanel skincare, this mask delivers deep nourishment and radiance to parched skin. It's perfect for those who crave a silky, luminous complexion while enjoying a spa-like experience at home. Designed for all skin types, it offers immediate comfort and long-term hydration that enhances your skin's texture and vitality. Key features: the mask is infused with camellia wax and camellia oil, which create a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Blue ginger PFA, another signature Chanel ingredient, provides antioxidant protection against environmental stressors. The creamy texture melts on contact, transforming into a velvety veil that soothes and softens the skin. Free from harsh chemicals and parabens, it delivers a luxurious sensory experience with every use. Benefits and usage: the Hydra Beauty Camellia Mask revitalizes tired, dehydrated skin, restoring radiance and elasticity. Apply it 2 to 3 times per week after cleansing and toning. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then massage in or remove any excess with a tissue. The mask leaves the skin supple, glowy, and deeply hydrated,
perfect for prepping before a big event or recovering from long dry days. With consistent use, fine lines appear smoother and skin tone more even. Usability. This mask is a pleasure to use thanks to its smooth, cushiony texture and delicate floral fragrance. It glides effortlessly onto the skin, absorbing without heaviness. Ideal for both day and night routines, it can be used as a quick moisture surge or a relaxing, pampering treatment. The elegant jar packaging also makes it easy to dispense just the right amount without waste. Durability. Each jar lasts for months, as a small amount provides full coverage. The high-quality formula maintains its consistency and fragrance over time, ensuring you get the same rich, hydrating experience from the first scoop to the last. With continuous use, your skin stays consistently moisturized, resilient, and soft, even during harsh weather conditions.
Coming in at number 3 is the Water Sleeping Mask. The Water Sleeping Mask by Laneige is a Korean skincare icon that revolutionized overnight hydration. Designed to replenish moisture while you sleep, this gel-based mask revitalizes tired, dull skin, leaving it refreshed and luminous by morning. It's perfect for anyone dealing with dryness, fatigue, or uneven texture, offering a boost of hydration without any heaviness. The mask works overnight to restore your skin's vitality so you wake up looking fresh and rejuvenated. Key features. Formulated with hydroionized mineral water, this mask penetrates deep into the skin to deliver lasting hydration. Its SleepTox technology purifies and revitalizes, while the Moisture Wrap system creates a breathable barrier to lock in moisture throughout the night. The soft, cooling gel texture soothes the skin and promotes a calming bedtime ritual. It's free of parabens and phthalates, making it safe for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. The Water Sleeping Mask intensely hydrates and smooths the skin overnight. Apply a thin layer as the final step in your nighttime skincare routine. Let it absorb fully and leave it on while you sleep. No need to rinse until morning. You'll wake up with visibly plumper, dewier, and more rested-looking skin. It's especially beneficial during travel, cold weather, or after long work days that deplete your skin's moisture reserves. Usability. Lightweight and non-sticky, this mask suits all skin types, including oily and combination skin. Its soothing scent helps you unwind at night, and it doesn't transfer onto pillows or fabrics. The packaging includes a hygienic spatula for easy application, and the gel texture spreads evenly, ensuring comfortable wear all night. Durability. One jar easily lasts for months since you only need a small amount each time. Its long-lasting hydration effects make it one of the most efficient products in its category. Over time, consistent use improves your skin's texture, elasticity, and overall radiance. Proof that good sleep paired with great skincare truly pays off. Taking our 4th spot is Collagen Jelly Cream. The Collagen Jelly Cream is a deeply hydrating, collagen-infused mask that doubles as a moisturizer. It's designed to plump, firm, and rejuvenate the skin with its unique jelly-like texture. Ideal for dry or mature skin, it provides a burst of hydration while improving elasticity and smoothness. The formula's cooling effect also calms redness and refreshes tired skin instantly, making it a multitasking hydration hero. Key features: this mask is packed with marine collagen, hyaluronic acid, and botanical extracts that work together to restore firmness and elasticity. Its jelly consistency absorbs quickly without clogging pores, making it suitable for both day and night use. The formula is free from artificial dyes and alcohol, ensuring gentle care even for sensitive skin. Each application delivers a dewy, plump finish that feels luxurious and refreshing. Benefits and usage: the collagen jelly cream restores moisture while supporting collagen synthesis for firmer, more youthful-looking skin. It can be used as a leave-on mask or a rich night cream. Apply a generous layer to clean skin and let it absorb fully. With regular use, it visibly smooths fine lines, improves hydration levels, and enhances overall skin texture, making it a perfect addition to anti-aging routines. Usability: the lightweight jelly texture feels cool on application and spreads evenly without greasiness. It's easy to layer under sunscreen or makeup during the day or use as a sleeping mask at night. The jar packaging allows for effortless scooping, and it's ideal for all seasons, hydrating in winter, yet breathable in summer. Durability: the dense formula means you need only a small amount per use, so one container lasts a long time. The mask's effects build over time, with continued use leading to stronger, more elastic, and hydrated skin. The collagen-infused benefits remain consistent throughout the product's life, ensuring visible results for months.
And finally, at number 5, we have Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask. The Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask is a premium Korean sheet mask designed to restore deep hydration and firmness. Enriched with bio-collagen and natural botanical essences, it nourishes the skin at a cellular level for a visibly smoother and youthful glow. Ideal for anyone facing dryness, fine lines, or dullness, this mask acts as an instant moisture recharge treatment. It delivers professional-level results right at home, making it a must-have for skincare enthusiasts. Key features: each mask is soaked in a rich serum containing hydrolyzed collagen, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients penetrate deeply to improve elasticity and moisture retention. The microfiber sheet adheres snugly to the face, ensuring maximum absorption. It's dermatologically tested, free of parabens and artificial fragrances, and suitable for all skin types. The serum's dense texture provides long-lasting nourishment even after removal. Benefits and usage: the Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask instantly revitalizes tired, dry skin. Apply it to cleansed skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then pat in the remaining essence for best results. It leaves the skin soft, radiant, and intensely hydrated. Regular use improves firmness and diminishes the appearance of fine lines, giving your complexion a plump and rejuvenated look that lasts all day. Usability: the sheet mask format makes it effortless to use and travel-friendly. The soft, non-slip sheet ensures a comfortable fit even when you move around. The serum absorbs beautifully without leaving any sticky residue, allowing you to continue your routine right after use. It's perfect for quick hydration before special occasions or as a part of your weekly skincare ritual. Durability: each mask provides noticeable results from the first application, and a pack of several masks ensures continued hydration over weeks. The serum maintains its potency throughout the product's shelf life, providing consistent, visible improvement in skin hydration, elasticity, and overall health. And there you have it, the top 5 best hydrating face masks that bring your skin back to life. Whether you prefer the luxurious Hydra Beauty Camellia mask, the soothing water sleeping mask, or the collagen-rich Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask, each one offers a unique solution for dry, tired skin. Remember, hydration is the foundation of healthy skin, so give your face the moisture it deserves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare reviews that truly make a difference.